Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pankaj Gupta, District Informatics Officer, and I am presenting this project on behalf of District Administration Shimla. The project is e-permissions mobile application. District Administration is always active in selecting areas where government process can be streamlined and citizens are able to get service in efficient and better way. Development of this mobile app for automation of permission work is another milestone achieved by District Administration. Sir, थोड़े से facts है about this permission की the statistics. DM is the only authority for granting the permissions to the citizens. Sir, before 20th March, the work was done manually. Approximately, sir, there are more than 5,000 applications which are received for various permission activities. The mobile application named as e-permissions launched on this 20th March. This year, the app was developed and itself it was launched on 20th March. The mobile application has won bronze medal in National Mobile Challenge organized by NIC. Recently, NIC organized on behalf of Ministry of IT a contest for mobile applications, and out of 374, this app won bronze medal. Manual system of granting permissions. So DM office receives various applications on plain paper from any individual, organizations, political party for getting permissions for holding various activities such as religious rallies, dharnas, political rallies, flying of vehicles for carrying materials, marathon race, helicopter landing. So there are many more such type of permissions. DM office जब sir application receive करता है, so they forward these applications for field verification to the police, that is SP office. SP office gets the verification done from the field offices and submits no objection certificate to DM office. जब पुलिस सर अपनी फील्ड वेरिफिकेशन कर लेती है अबाउट द पर्सन हु हैज अप्लाइड एंड अबाउट द प्लेस की कोई सिक्योरिटी या वो इश्यू तो नहीं है, तो वो अपनी सर एनओसी इशू करते हैं. DM office then issues a permission letter to the applicant on the basis of sir NOC and other verification reports. DM office issues the permission letter to the individual or the organization for holding the event. Sir, earlier the work was done manually on papers, and sir there was delays in giving the permissions. Constraints in manual system. So sir manual system था, उसमें क्या constraints है sir? There was no standard procedure in the existing system. Work timing was restricted from 10 to 5 PM only. तो odd hours में सर कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं आ सकती थी. इवन केस ऑफ अर्जेंसी सर कोई ऐसा मैकेनिज्म नहीं था कि परमिशन दे सके. स्टेटस ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल टू द एप्लीकेंट. सर एप्लीकेंट को अपना स्टेटस नहीं पता होता था और उसे बार बार डीसी ऑफिस में आना पड़ता था कि उसकी एप्लीकेशन का क्या स्टेटस है या परमिशन उसे कब मिलेगी, क्योंकि सर सारा काम मैनुअली होता था. सो देयर वाज अ डिले इन प्रोसेसिंग द वर्क एंड कम्युनिकेशन विद पुलिस फॉर वेरिफिकेशन was also through letters. It was manual process. So sir उसमें भी काफी डिले रहता था और सर कोई प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग भी ऑफिस में नहीं रहती थी. तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी भी देयर वाज लैक ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी इन बोथ द ऑफिस, डीएम ऑफिस एज वेल एज इन द एसपी ऑफिस. तो सर नया ई परमिशन जो मोबाइल ऐप बनी है सर, उसमें फीचर्स हमने क्या रखे हैं? वी ऑप्टेड फॉर मोबाइल ऐप ड्यू टू अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ मोबाइल ऐप. क्योंकि सर मोबाइल की पेनिट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, डेंसिटी काफी है, नेट फैसिलिटी भी सभी के पास अवेलेबल है. सो वी थॉट ऑफ डेवलपिंग दिस मोबाइल ऐप. डिजाइन ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर एज पर जो एग्जिस्टिंग वर्कफ्लो का था सर उसे चेंज नहीं किया है, बल्कि थोड़ी रीइंजीनियरिंग करके और इसको स्ट्रेंथन किया गया है. और परमिशंस की हमने कैटेगराइजेशन किया जो वेरियस टाइप की परमिशंस थी, और ये इंश्योर किया गया कि जो सिटीजन है उसे मिनिमम डाटा एंट्री करनी पड़े. सर्विस इज अवेलेबल 24/7 और टाइम कॉन्स्टेंट भी सर इसमें रखें, क्योंकि कई बार ये होता था कि कुछ ऐसे सेंसिटिव इशू है जिसमें कि एप्लीकेशन तुरंत दी जाती थी, तो इसमें 48 आवर्स का चेक रखा है कि 2 days अर्लियर द एप्लीकेंट हैज टू अप्लाई फॉर द परमिशंस. सर इसमें सेपरेट यूजर आईडीज टू डीएम ऑफिस एंड पुलिस अथॉरिटीज को दिया गया है, उसमें पूरे सिक्योरिटी चेक्स रखे गए हैं. एंड स्टेटस ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन इज मेड अवेलेबल टू द एप्लीकेंट. तो एप्लीकेंट एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करने के बाद एनी टाइम ही कैन चेक द स्टेटस ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन कि कहाँ उसकी पेंडिंग है या कहाँ प्रोसेस हो रही है. पुलिस को भी सर जो एप्लीकेशन डीएम ऑफिस से ऑनलाइन ही भेजी जाती है और वो ऑनलाइन ही इसकी वेरिफिकेशन करके रिपोर्ट डीएम ऑफिस को भेजते हैं, और उसके बाद सर डीएम ऑफिस भी ऑनलाइन ही इसकी अप्रूवल देता है परमिशंस की, और जो सिटीजंस हैं वो ऑनलाइन ही उसको डाउनलोड कर लेता है परमिशंस को. और वेरियस रिपोर्ट्स भी आल्सो अवेलेबल टू द डीएम इन दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. सर दिस इज एप्लीकेशन फंक्शनल प्रोसेस फ्लो की इंडिविजुअल अप्लाई करता है, स्कैन डॉक्यूमेंट्स वो अपलोड कर सकता है, यूनिक एप्लीकेशन नंबर लगता है, डीएम ऑफिस में सर एप्लीकेशन आएगी, वो पुलिस को देंगे, पुलिस एनओसी इशू करेगा, उसके बेस पे सर ग्रांट होगा या रिजेक्ट होगी एप्लीकेशन, और सिटीजन अपना स्टेटस चेक कर सकता है और उसके बाद डाउनलोड कर सकता है। Scope of the mobile app, sir. ePermission mobile app has been designed for DM office Shimla and implemented in DM office. Sir, presently ये Shimla के DM office में implemented है. It is live, sir. But it can be rolled out in other districts of the HP and also in Pan India. It can be customized. The sir, advantage of the mobile app is, sir, it is paperless and faceless service to the citizens. Application of permission can be submitted 24/7. The authority can work online when not stationed in office or on tour. The permission work will not get hampered. So the authorities are basically they are in mobile, कभी सर tour पे है, कभी out station है, तो permission का work hampered नहीं होता है. They can work on their mobile and grant the permissions. The process worker will get streamlined and there will be no delays. Status of application will be available to the applicant and there is no need to visit office. Single application can be forwarded to multiple authorities like SP, DPRO, SDM. Sir, there are various categories like for film shooting, it is public relation department which is involved, and for plane landing, helicopter landing, SDMs are involved. So single application can be is forwarded to multiple authorities. A dashboard and reports is available, sir. Sir, this is the technology which is used for developing the application. The mobile application development platform is Flutter SDK, Google UI Toolkit, and database is MS SQL, and offline database is also used, that is SQLite, and APIs is Visual Studio.net, and it's live and available on the Play Store with the name ePermissions. So this was the app launched by Worthy Deputy Commissioner on 20th March, and these are the media coverages. And so this is the certificate which was given recently in the National Mobile Challenge. It won bronze medal. So these are the main screenshots of the mobile app. Thank you very much.
सर आपसे मेरे को खाली एक रिक्वेस्ट है.
Sir, please.
Talking the plus points of your present application, please do not talk about the negative points what was happening in the manual system. Please do not forget that the manual system is still being followed in lot of areas within your state. So if you keep on talking on the negative points of the manual system, you are actually raising a Pandora's box of an audit to question why those things are not happening there, why transparency is not there, why other systems have not been followed there. So my request is, please do not say on the negative points, say what you are able to give in addition to whatever was being given before. This is a very common mistake which people are making when they are implementing the technical and technology based application. They keep on talking ki earlier these were the problems. Please restrain yourself, because 3 years hence somebody will come and use a much better technology and say the earlier technology was having these problems. So let's not talk on the negative points of, because those were the situations which were limited because of the operational conditions. So today you have been able to overcome the operational condition and being able to give further convenience because those were demanded by the extraordinary situation of the COVID. So this is my request. I think it's a good job which you have done, but my only thing is please refrain from talking negative of what was happening earlier.
Sir, your suggestions are welcome, sir. Thanks for
very, very wrong thing.
It was just for comparison purpose, sir. What we have received and what.
Please refrain. Please talk of your plus.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Don't
sir.
talk
Okay,
about the negative points.
Okay, sir. Okay, definitely, sir.
बहुत बारी ये हम लोगों में आदत है, and it always happens. So I thought let me share my views on it in a very strong way. I think you have done a very good job.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for pointing these points also, sir. We will definitely keep in mind, sir.
Good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.